Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color name and shapes name. First, color name. Sky blue color. Which color is this? Sky blue. Pink color. Which color is this? Pink. Green color. Which color is this? Green. Orange color. Which color is this? Orange. Yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Shape name: triangle, heart, heptagon, hexagon, circle, star. Let's start. Sky blue color, triangle. Sky blue color, triangle. Pink color, heart. Pink color, heart.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S
Green color, heptagon. Green color, heptagon.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing?
Orange color, hexagon. Orange color, hexagon.
A B C D E F G H I J K.
Yellow color, circle. Yellow color, circle.
W X
Red color, star. Red color, star.
Next time won't you sing with me?
Repeat again. Triangle, heart, heptagon, hexagon, circle, star. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.